START is a new learning programme for Scottish schools that takes children on an entrepreneurial journey that replicates the experience of being part of a startup incubator.
I think it's an amazing day and a great opportunity for young people at all the schools. They're getting opportunities to work with experts, they're getting opportunities to meet inspiring entrepreneurs, and I think they're feeling inspired and really motivated to bring that back to the school over the next few weeks.
But then to have all of the students from all the schools here in one room is really, really interesting. And to actually get them to articulate and share their ideas, their work in progress, it's amazing to see how far they've come even in just a couple of weeks.
I am so pleased that these kids are being exposed to entrepreneurial thinking, to looking at small businesses, to coming up with ideas and start thinking about the challenges that people undertake to bring these ideas to market, as well as potentially some of them may consider going into business at some point in the future. So I think it's a wonderful programme.
At school, it's very much about you get information directed at you. You have to absorb it, remember it, and then reuse it in an exam situation. The real world is definitely not like that. So I think one of the things that the students get to experiment with in something like START is encountering uncertainty in a safe environment, directing their own interests and curiosity towards generating ideas, solving problems. Having a little bit of a safe exposure to that I think is really helpful.
I quite like it because it's more of a student-led programme rather than being fed information by teachers. I enjoy working with peers and the teachers and design something of our own.
I really do love business and enterprise, and I was thinking in the future, me and my family, to start a business ourselves, and this will help us a lot to have a successful business.
Just a good opportunity to be able to express my thoughts and be able to kind of overcome challenges within my community. So that which is what my group is trying to do.
Out of the START programme, I'm really hoping to get experience in making my own business and coming up with my own creative ideas.
Working with groups, we've been talking to other schools as well, which I thought has been really insightful in how we can improve our overall business idea.
We are all about trying to ignite entrepreneurial passion, but also to foster the skills that everybody is telling us are needed for the economy of the future. And if you are interested in helping young people to be prepared for the future, then START is for you.